My name is Suchi, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Girona, as you already know. I think it's a complete privilege to be a part of this walking workshop, and it was a privilege to meet all these wonderful people who are like-minded. And I found out about this workshop from a professor, Tazim, who visited us during a conference, and I was talking to her about how I was struggling to find more work and more researchers that work on social entrepreneurship in tourism. And she pointed me in this direction, and because I think I was really struggling as well, talking to people and researchers about my work, and I saw a lot of blank stares and blank looks. And it was really lovely to come here and meet people who have not only worked in this field, but have so much experience that I could learn from them. One of the main things I learned during the workshop is how to ask better questions to get more in depth, and that will definitely help me in the long run in my own research, because that is something I think I still need work on. And it's been an incredible experience going to various tourism initiatives, talking to Mr. Bin, who runs community-based tourism here, learning about how he has successfully managed to create a structure that benefits locals. It has been an incredible experience, and I hope that we can do something more productive from this experience that can help the bigger community in general. I really believe that the nonprofit model and also the several developmental projects have not been as efficient as they should have been, and I really feel like social entrepreneurship, not just in tourism, but in many related areas, is very relevant today and also tomorrow. I think it's the only way forward. Okay, thank you.